In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a custom agent in WP Godmode. So we are going to build an agent which imports blog articles that are being sent to me by my client. We already have a first blog article published on the website. This one was created by myself. In this particular case, I used Breakdance Builder to build the blog content because the client uses a lot of custom elements inside a blog article. We also have a ACF field for the post excerpt. We have categories to the right, we have tags, and we have a featured image, and of course, Yoast SEO. So as you can see, we already have a template for the blog articles. We have a title, the published date, the category, the tags, the post excerpt, and then we have our post content with custom elements such as this call to action box, text, images, and also figures and facts. So what you see here is the Word document that our client sends to us. This is an HTML document pasted into a Word. To create a custom agent, we move over to WP Godmode and click on the plus next to the word agents. Now we can give it a name. Let's say blog importer. Describe the goal, an agent which imports blog articles into WordPress. And we click on the play button. So now Godmode asks us, what should it start with? I already prepared the text. I explained again what the goal of the agent is, to import blog posts which our client sends to us in a Word file as HTML. Want to upload only the Word file and you will import it correctly as a WordPress post. I explained shortly on how my posts are built, that we have a custom ACF field, categories, tags, and a featured image. And of course, our custom content that is built with Breakdance Builder. I send my existing blog post to the agent so it can analyze the structure of it. And of course, I'm also going to upload my Word file. So now we defined what our agent should do, and we send our prompt. What it did now, it automatically created a research chat, which we see above. So now it analyzes our post, so it exactly knows what to do later. So now it created its own deployer chat, which you can see here above, and it will now import my first blog article. We can always open the subchat that was created to see what the AI is doing. Now it tells me that the import was finished, so I can go and check. If I open the link here, I see my blog post that was imported entirely through a Word document. So that's the first time I actually see this. And I can see it looks okay, but I see a couple of issues here. For example, these boxes don't look the same as on my example. The lead text is doubled. And also we have a new typography here that should be changed. So what I can do now is I can go into the fine tuning and let WP Godmode correct the issues that I found. So I've made a list on what the agent should correct, and I'm going to prompt it. So now I can see in the subchat that the agent is fixing the issues. Now I'm going to check my blog post. Here we go, preview, and that looks actually pretty nice. All the elements have been imported, everything looks as it's supposed to look, and everything was added using native Breakdance elements. So our agent is now finished, so I can upload more articles and let the agent do the work for me.